Hello guys, welcome to the third video where I'm giving a quick overview of Bitcoin and uh, blockchains and cryptocurrencies in general. We discussed about what hashes are in the first video. In the second video, what blocks are, in, and we talked about how we randomly find nulls so we can fulfill some arbitrary rule. In this case, like four zeros, the hash should start with four zeros, and then we deem this block valid. And now we are going to discuss what blockchain is. So blockchain is chain of blocks, but each block is tied to one another, and we're gonna quickly see how that happens. So if you observe that these blocks have an additional row which is called previous, and the this is the genesis, what we call the genesis block. This is the first block, so the previous is here all zeros, meaning it doesn't have a previous value. Here in the second block we have the previous value, which will be the hash of its predecessor. So which means if I say sensitive data, the hash which of block 1 will appear in block 2 in the previous row. Now let's try to find a nonce for this block by mining it, which will make sure that the hash starts with first four zeros. And we found it, and the previous now is same as the hash of the block 1. And now I can add more sensitive data here and try to mine this one. And again I mine a third one, just breathing. Now we have 3 blocks mined back to back. Now the cool thing about the blockchain is that they are tied together, and if I try to change the data even by adding something, let's say full stop here, the hash of this immediately is invalid. But not only this block will become invalid, because the previous of the second block have changed, it also becomes invalid. So as you can see, if I mine first block, we found a new nonce. We have to again, and this, because this is only 4 zeros, I am just mining, I'm randomly trying out on a relatively simple Mac machine of mine, but you can see as the transactions or the data gets buried in the chain, the new data that is being mined provides additional security on top of each other. So the older the block, more secure will it be.